Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share with you all a very easy and delicious recipe of Acchari aloo or some potatoes in Acchari masala. Let's see the ingredients together and see that how you can very easily make it at home. Let's start. So here we have some chopped onions in a bowl, some blended tomatoes with ginger, garlic and chili, and some yogurt. For the spices, we'd be needing some red chilli flakes, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. We'd be seasoning it with some salt. In the next bowl, you can see some pickle masala, which is Nigella Seeds, Fenugreek Seeds, mustard seeds, and in the same bowl you can see some cumin seeds as well. In another bowl you can see some crushed fennel seeds and coriander seeds and also some carom seeds. We'd be dicing the potatoes in small cubes and we'll be parboiling them. We won't be cooking them entirely, but they should be like 80% cooked when we put them in the masala. So let's boil them while we prepare the masala. Now to prepare the masala or the base of the curry, we'll be heating some oil in a pot and we'll be crackling the seeds. And once they're crackled, we're going to put our chopped onions and we'll saute them till they turn translucent. It's now time to add our blended tomatoes along with the ginger, garlic and green chili. Shall also be adding all the spices and salt at this point and we'll mix everything together. Our potatoes are boiling. We'll be keeping an eye on those as well. We will gently let our masala simmer over medium heat till the oil is separated and the base is ready. We'll also be adding a bit of water if needed. Recommended to cook it covered. Once the oil is separated and all the water is evaporated, we're going to add our seeds that we've crushed, fennel seeds, coriander seeds and some carom seeds. The carom seeds are whole, by the way. After mixing everything together, we're going to put our drained parboiled potatoes to the masala along with the beaten yogurt and we'll mix everything together gently and we'll let it cook over low medium flame covered till the potatoes are cooked through. Keep this in mind that they are partially cooked and probably won't need any more water. So let them cook and after 5 or 7 minutes check if your potatoes are ready. If not and you need some more water, you can add a bit of it. But I feel that there won't be any need since we've added the yogurt. And once our dish is ready, we are going to garnish it with some chopped coriander. And if you like, you can also add some chopped green chilies, but I didn't because we're not really fond of very spicy food at home. So just gently mix everything together and serve. And that's our final look, guys. You can serve it with roti, paratha, or naan. And if you're really fond of having it with rice, like me, you can have it with rice as well. So I feel that this is a great brunch recipe, and you can have it for brunch on Sunday. And if you try it, do let me know. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you are going to give it a try, and will definitely be leaving feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements, along with all of my social media handles, are mentioned in the description box below. I shall be back with more. In the meantime, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're at it, you can also hit that bell icon. Take good care of yourself and of your loved ones, and don't forget the underprivileged ones. Bye for now.